A tantalizing rumor has emerged suggesting that DJI, the leading name in drone and camera gimbal technology, is gearing up to launch a groundbreaking mirrorless camera in 2025. There's a shift happening in the camera industry, and it's not from the usual contenders. DJI, typically known for drones and gimbals, might soon disrupt the sector in a way that's unexpected. DJI changed the game with items like the Ronin 4D and the compact yet robust Osmo Pocket. It seems they're set to do it again, this time introducing a mirrorless camera. However, let's hold off on jumping to conclusions too quickly. What we have is still somewhat unclear. Here's what we can gather, so let's break it down based on the information available. DJI acquired Hasselblad. It wasn't merely a show-off. DJI has been utilizing Hasselblad's medium-format cameras in their drones. But there are rumors that they are now aiming for a full-frame mirrorless camera that aims to be both budget-friendly and appealing to photographers and filmmakers alike, with an expected launch in 2025. Considering DJI's track record of innovation, we aren't referring to the type of cameras used for capturing family moments on vacations. Rather, these are the kinds of cameras you'd find on a professional film set or a content creator's YouTube setup. DJI's proficiency in imaging technology, showcased through their drones and stabilizers like the Ronin 4D, DJI has established its reputation in camera technology, but entering the mirrorless camera market is an entirely different challenge. This move would represent a significant advancement for the company, which has already excelled in the drone and gimbal sectors, but hasn't yet entered the traditional camera body market. Sources familiar with the situation indicate that DJI mirrorless camera could rival industry leaders such as Sony, Canon, and Nikon. Before making any predictions, it's crucial to recognize the innovations DJI has already introduced. The DJI Pocket series is widely regarded as one of the top vlogging cameras, providing ease of use, portability, and stabilization in a sleek, compact design. Additionally, there's the DJI Ronin 4D, a cinematic camera system crafted for film industry professionals. DJI has the capabilities to develop a camera system that offers remarkable image sensors and outstanding image quality. This would place DJI in direct competition with established leaders like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. DJI's legacy of user-friendly design could significantly influence how their camera compares to others in the market. If you've ever operated a DJI drone or gimbal, you know that user-friendliness is one of the company's strongest assets, and this characteristic could distinguish DJI from competitors like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. DJI is far ahead of what most mirrorless cameras can offer. For instance, the Ronin 4D has become a favored choice in high-end video production. This will revolutionize filmmaking and content creation for those seeking cinematic footage on the move. DJI could push the boundaries even further. DJI has repeatedly demonstrated that they recognize the importance of versatility in the gear market. For instance, the DJI Ronin 4D supports various interchangeable lens systems, including DL mount, L mount, and E mount. Entering the mirrorless market won't be a simple task for DJI, as Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of expertise and devoted customers who have significantly invested in their ecosystems. DJI could usher in a much-needed wave of innovation that's been absent in the current landscape. DJI's proficiency in stabilization, showcased by their Ronin 4D and Pocket series, distinguishes them from conventional camera manufacturers. This could revolutionize the experience for creators on the move who seek high-quality outcomes with minimal setup. Additionally, another intriguing element is DJI's acquisition of Hasselblad, a renowned name in the photography industry. Furthermore, DJI's potential emphasis on modular design and connectivity might tackle significant issues faced by photographers and videographers. If DJI aligns its innovative approach with the quality anticipated from premium cameras, this could signal the beginning of an exciting phase in professional imaging. That wraps up this series of DJI mirrorless camera leaks. What are your thoughts on these rumors? Share your opinions in the comments. We appreciate your viewership. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for additional camera news and leaks.